There is a blue whale out there, just spouted. There he goes. He did. Wow. Yeah, come on, back up again. We're waiting. Come on. I'm freezing to death out here. The naturalist made an announcement that the blue whale dives for about 10 minutes, so we're hanging around here hoping that he'll come back, he or she will come back up.
Right now there are two very large whales, at least two, if not three.
Ooh. It's better than the dead whale I saw my last trip.
I see it.
Oh my God. A live whale.
Didn't have to go out.
Yes, I see him.
It's out there again. See him crawling? It's amazing. I can see it. Oh my God. You can see it. Yes.
Blue whale again, and it's about 10 o'clock, 300 or 400 meters.
Oh, he keeps coming to this. He or she, have to be don't want to be gender specific, keeps coming to the surface.
Kilograms, and the aorta itself is 23
whale.
centimeters in diameter. Well, 90 tons, that figure represents when the mouth is fully expanded. Now, a baby blue whale, a calf, drinks 400 liters of its mother's milk every day. For blue whales, some eat almost exclusively krill, but there is some overlap in different populations where some blue whales will eat small schooling fish as well. So this 100 kilograms, how many calories would that be? It's about 1.5 million calories daily.
They made an announcement that there were quite a few sperm whales and orcas out here, so the ship is trying to get in position and hunting them. And I did see a blow way out there, way out there. They said that in the Aleutian Islands, the weather is usually pretty miserable, foggy, rainy, drizzly, not terribly cold, but if they get perhaps 6 decent days a year, it's amazing. There, it's right there. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Or she? Oh, right there. Come on, whale, sperm whale. Oh, he's out there.
Oh yes, yes. You can see him come up.
Just saw the fin. There it is. It just blew. Yeah, I can see the fin, the dorsal fin. There, right there. Wow. There's 2 of them. There's another one out there. There's more than one. They're almost like they're just playing around the boat. They're both staying right out there. I wish they'd come closer. I don't know which way to turn because there are several out there. There's 1, 2, 3. 3. At least 3 out there. You can even hear them. You can hear the breathing. Ooh, I don't know which way to look. Oh, 2 of them blew at the same time. Okay, I'm freezing. But I don't know where to focus because they're all over. That was massive.
What though?
One just did a great big blow out there that I missed.
You still see whales?
Mm-hmm.
Good for you.
They're all over the place. We have orcas and sperm whales. You know, the moment I turn my camcorder off, one will breach right by the ship.
Mm-hmm.
He did. He breached. Right in front of me. Come on, Moby Dick. Where are you? Show yourself.
He took a break.
Nope, there he goes. Ooh. Those must be the orcas, because they're... yeah. With all the fish. Oh, they're all around there. I remember when we saw orcas in Iceland, and they said they work together. Oh, they're all right here in front. Sonny, get up. They're all right here. They're right in front of me. They're right in front of me. Look at them all.
I see the tails and everything.
Oh, wow.
Look out there. You got them video, huh? Oh, right there. 1, 2, 3.
Those are the orcas, I think. They're hurting. They're hurting the fish. Oh, that is amazing. Completely amazing. And we're on the port side. Perfect. Couldn't have been any more perfect than this. You know, I have to look back at the video I just took in Australia where those orcas would herd the fish in that one particular spot. Ooh, look at the size of that one. Oh, wow. Those were in front of me and I missed them for her. What is so interesting is you can hear the exhaltation as they spout. Ooh. It's amazing.
Gentlemen, this has been an exceptional viewing of wildlife in 2 minutes. The final views. Appreciate this. Ces orques.
It was incredible. Incredible.